Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 12. Berlin Blockade Ends 1949. On May 12, 1949, the Soviet Union ended its blockade of West Berlin after nearly a year of cutting off all land and water routes to the city. The goal had been to force the Western Allies to give up control. In response, the US and Britain launched the Berlin Airlift, flying in food, coal, and supplies every day. Over 200,000 flights delivered more than 2 million tons of goods. The success of the airlift showed the Allies' determination. It was a key early win for the West in the Cold War. Florence Nightingale is born 1820. Florence Nightingale, the woman who transformed modern nursing, was born on May 12, 1820, in Florence, Italy. During the Crimean War, she gained fame for improving hygiene and reducing deaths in military hospitals. Her methods helped save countless lives. Because of her, nursing became a respected profession. Today, May 12th is celebrated as International Nurses Day in her honor. Her legacy continues in hospitals around the world. King George VI is crowned 1937. On May 12, 1937, King George VI was officially crowned in Westminster Abbey after his brother, Edward VIII, gave up the throne. The coronation was broadcast on radio, allowing millions to listen in across Britain and the Empire. George VI was originally meant to be king, but he took on the role with quiet strength. He would go on to lead Britain during World War II, becoming a symbol of courage and stability in tough times. Sichuan earthquake in China 2008. On May 12, 2008, a powerful earthquake hit China's Sichuan province, causing widespread destruction. The quake measured 7.9 in magnitude and shook buildings, roads, and entire towns. More than 80,000 people lost their lives, and millions more were injured or left homeless. Schools, hospitals, and homes collapsed within seconds. It was one of the deadliest natural disasters in China's history. The tragedy led to a massive national rescue effort and support from around the world. West Germany opens diplomatic relations with Israel 1965. On May 12, 1965, West Germany and Israel established diplomatic relations for the first time. It was a historic and emotional step, as Germany was still coming to terms with the Holocaust. Many people, especially in the Arab world, opposed the decision. But for Israel and Germany, it marked the beginning of dialogue and healing. The move opened the door for future cooperation and reconciliation between the two nations. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.